Window installation in Kendall is essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Kendall residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our custom window solutions Kendall cater to every need, ensuring a perfect fit for any home style. Patio door replacement Kendall is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their outdoor living spaces. Sliding glass doors Kendall and French doors Kendall are excellent choices for creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Our patio door services Kendall include expert installation and maintenance to ensure long-lasting performance. Energy-efficient windows Kendall are a top priority for environmentally conscious homeowners. Double-pane windows Kendall and insulated windows Kendall provide superior insulation, reducing heat transfer and improving indoor climate control. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while lowering energy costs. Window installation services Kendall are crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window glass replacement Kendall to window frame replacement Kendall, our team of experts is equipped to handle all types of installations. We also offer window sealing Kendall and window caulking Kendall to prevent drafts and leaks. Custom window solutions Kendall offer a personalized approach to window upgrades Kendall. Whether you're interested in vinyl windows Kendall, aluminum windows Kendall, or impact-resistant windows Kendall, we have the expertise to deliver high-quality installations. Our window maintenance Kendall services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Glass door installation Kendall is a key service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal. Our team specializes in installing a variety of glass doors, including sliding glass doors Kendall and French doors Kendall. We also provide door hardware Kendall to complement your new installations. Window tinting Kendall is an effective way to improve privacy and reduce glare in your home. Our window tinting services are designed to enhance the performance of your windows while adding a stylish touch. We also offer window screens Kendall and window shutters Kendall for added protection and aesthetic appeal. Door replacement Kendall is an important service for homeowners looking to update their entryways. Our team provides expert installation of storm doors Kendall and other door types to enhance security and energy efficiency. We also offer a range of door hardware Kendall options to suit your style preferences. Window upgrades Kendall are essential for improving your home's energy efficiency and overall value. Our team specializes in installing energy-efficient windows Kendall, including double-pane windows Kendall and insulated windows Kendall. These upgrades can significantly reduce your energy bills and enhance indoor comfort. Window caulking Kendall is a vital service for preventing air and water leaks in your home. Our experts use high-quality materials to ensure a tight seal around your windows, improving energy efficiency and protecting against the elements. Regular window maintenance Kendall can help extend the life of your windows. Residential window replacement Kendall is a key service for homeowners looking to improve their property's appearance and functionality. Our team offers a wide range of window options, including vinyl windows Kendall, aluminum windows Kendall, and impact-resistant windows Kendall. We provide expert installation and maintenance services to ensure long-lasting performance. For top-notch window installation and patio door replacement in Kendall, look no further. Our energy-efficient windows and sliding glass doors are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Whether you need double-pane windows or custom window solutions, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Our window installation services in Kendall ensure that your windows are always in perfect condition. Upgrade your home with our French doors and vinyl windows, perfect for any residential window replacement in Kendall. Our impact-resistant windows provide added security and peace of mind. We also offer window frame replacement and glass door installation services to keep your home looking its best. Our window sealing and insulated windows help maintain energy efficiency, reducing your utility bills. For those in Kendall seeking window glass replacement or aluminum windows, our team is ready to assist. We specialize in window maintenance and door hardware, ensuring your windows and doors function smoothly. Our window upgrades and storm doors are ideal for enhancing your home's protection against the elements. Trust our window caulking and door replacement services to keep your home secure. Enhance your home's privacy and style with our window tinting and window screens in Kendall. Our window shutters add a touch of elegance while providing practical benefits. Whether you need residential window replacement or patio door services in Kendall, our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Choose us for all your energy-efficient windows and sliding glass doors needs in Kendall. Our patio door services in Kendall include expert installation and maintenance, ensuring your doors operate flawlessly. We offer a wide range of options, from traditional French doors to modern sliding glass doors, all designed to complement your home's style. Our custom window solutions in Kendall cater to unique preferences, providing personalized options for every homeowner. In Kendall, our window installation services are second to none, addressing issues promptly and efficiently. We provide comprehensive solutions, from window frame replacement to window glass replacement, ensuring your windows are always in top condition. Our aluminum windows and vinyl windows are popular choices for their durability and aesthetic appeal. For those interested in energy-efficient windows in Kendall, our insulated windows and window sealing services are perfect for reducing energy costs. Our impact-resistant windows offer added protection, while our window maintenance services keep your windows functioning optimally. Trust our door hardware and window upgrades to enhance your home's security and style. Our storm doors and window caulking services in Kendall provide additional protection against harsh weather conditions. We also offer door replacement services, ensuring your home remains secure and stylish. Our window tinting and window screens add privacy and comfort, while our window shutters offer a classic touch to any home. Choose us for all your window and door needs in Kendall.